guarantee all our products 100% made by new material. Here, I will introduce some advantages of our rocks. The whole rocks with a wonderful net hand working, and here with soft silk screen rubber. Can be made in different colors. Also, here we can print your logo with silk screen logo or laser marking logo. Another customization of the rock is key numbers. Here you see our standard accessories keys is 3 pieces. If you want to make 4 pieces, it's also available. And for the cable design, our standard length is 1.2 meters. It can be cut-made, be shorter or longer. Here is another assembly for the cover rock, the textile cover. A stiffer and removable. You can print your logo here. Also, the curve of the textile can be cut-made. The standard is black color. Here, all the introduction is finished. If you want more information about our products, you can leave message or send it right to us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.